Hello, this is Brendan Lee with the Conscious Assistant Skill Worldwide, and I'm an assistant to Peter Ralston. I'm making this video because I want to invite you to join us here at the Center in Texas for the spring retreat next year. I can't tell you how many times I have heard from other people who have done the workshops that they wish they had come here sooner. They wish they'd participated in a live event sooner because of the difference that it makes to do the workshop in person. And it makes a huge difference because the mind that you use to, say, if you're working on your own, you're listening to videos, reading the books, the mind that you use to apprehend the material is very self-referential, and what you think is useful and valuable will dictate sort of what you pick out as useful and valuable, and as you move through the material, you will recognize and notice things that you think are useful and valuable. Whereas if you come participate in a live workshop, you have a trained facilitator who has the experience. They can come from an experience and help move you in a much more powerful and real way. I would love for you to come join us here. If for some reason you can't make it in person, we have a Zoom option available. And we just pioneered this last fall, and it went unexpectedly well. It was great. People got a lot of value, a lot of benefit, and they could do it from the comfort of their own home. So if you'd like to join us, I would love to see you here. Please check the link in the description for more information, and we'll see you soon. Thanks.